Our A-level curriculum is designed to give students the academic advantage they need to secure admission to top universities worldwide. Beyond academics, we promote financial literacy through practical tools like money management cards, teaching students essential life skills that will serve them well into adulthood. We also believe in the power of community. Social interaction is encouraged through shared meals, helping students build lasting friendships and a strong support network. Our A-level dormitories provide a focused academic environment where students can concentrate on their studies, free from distractions. Foster independent study habits. We offer unsupervised prep session, empowering students to take charge of their learning and develop the discipline needed for academic success. We offer flexible boarding options, including weekly boarding, allowing students to go home on weekends and maintain a healthy balance between school and family life. Enroll your child in our A-level program today and give them the foundation they need to achieve their dream.